welcome to my YouTube channel ownideas. If you have not yet liked and subscribed to our channel, please do. Today we learn how to make free website. So let's do initially. First goes to Google and search signdiff.com that I have given in description. Some sort of statement to open this kind of page it after open. As you see, I had already made website. There I put a lot things. So let's we go to our website. Here to take you before they get in that register or not, either. So please do log in or register. I am logging this site now. Then you will get this type of page. Then click on create website option. Then you have to put the name of your website. And then click on check availability option. And choose language. Then click on create website option. Then to close. You will directly come to the new website. Then type the title of the website. And top click on theme option. Pick your mind theme selected and click on apply. Then click on the header theme and next to theme option. And you choose preferences header design. Similarly, by clicking on the bottom theme mine like selected theme. You can put any picture on these. Then click on the navigation bar. You write your navigation name, such as home, contact, etc. named after the place to get everyone to put his name on the navigation bar and click on add block option. And put the content of your choice. Content such means it has what you want to, photos, videos and more. There you can put photos, videos, maps and more. Thus adjust the navigation bar. After everything, please design it well. I am forwarding this video fast. After everything, click the Publish Online option given below. Your website will publish. But after 21 days you have to publish it again. If you found this video cool, so please like and share. Thank you.